Well, the rain may have stopped now, but this June has been pretty wet. KXAN Chief Meteorologist Bannin here, looking back on a stormy first half of the month.
Yeah, it's been real wet for us. We've needed the rain. It's actually been our wettest June since 2015 and one of the wettest Junes on record in the Austin area. No rain today, but this month we've had 6.5 inches of rain at Austin's Camp Mabry. That's a surplus, meaning above average rainfall of more than 3.5 inches. What we should have had by now is 2.87, and we've had 6.5. We still have a surplus year to date as well. Often the last couple of months have been pretty wet, but the first few months of the year were very dry, that we were still in a rainfall deficit despite the rain, but more recent rains have put us in a rainfall surplus. So I did a little math today, got out that TI-89 calculator, looked up the rainfall and the wettest Junes ever. And you can see how that list shapes up 1 through 4. The wettest June ever, 1981, almost 15 inches of rain that June. 1941 had almost 13 inches of rain. Then you could see the 3rd and 4th place. But we're in 15th place. Again, this is data that goes back to the late 1800s, so it's still significant. 6.5 inches of rain. Not saying that we're done with rain for the month yet, but it is not looking good as far as a continuation of a wet pattern. But Lake Travis, Lake Buchanan keep rising. Lake Buchanan's rises have been very slim as more of the water has been passed through toward Lake Travis, which continues to rise, now more than 4 feet above normal for this time of year. Drought has been improving as well, although those improvements will be more limited now going forward. You can see we've got a moderate to severe drought stretching from Blanco through Hayes, Travis, Williamson, and into our eastern counties, but no rain over the next week will mean that our drought stops improving, at least for the short term. On KXAN.com, we're always exploring Austin area weather data with our digital data reporter, Christopher Adams, who's keeping up with all the graphs on KXAN.com, so you can follow along in an in-depth sort of way as we track the weather through the year. Outside right now, we've got just sunshine and scattered clouds on a hot, humid, very typical late June day here in central Texas. A bit of haze in the air as well. That's a combination of the higher humidity. There's also agricultural burning happening in Central America, and we'll be getting some Saharan dust to push into central Texas, adding to the haze as we head through the week. As far as the upper level pattern, high pressure in control now. That'll put a limit on any rain or storm chances. It's not going to move much here through the middle of the week. Later in the week and into the weekend, it's going to reposition itself to our east here as we head into Saturday and Sunday. That's still going to limit rainfall, but some opportunities with the southwest flow that maybe we'll be able to sneak in some rain next week. Still, that high is going to dominate, even if it's not sitting on top of us here through Monday, and that's going to keep our extended forecast rather dry. The whole state isn't completely dry. There's a few showers and storms well out to our west, but nothing to spark those rains here locally, so we're going to stay dry for the short term. The air is still humid, but rain-free. Take you into tonight's. It'll be the similar story most nights of the week, where we're mostly clear in the evenings. Low clouds come in overnight. We start with a good amount of low cloud cover in the morning, and then those clouds give way to increasing sun through the morning, and then a mostly sunny sky sets up for the afternoon. This is your Tuesday. Then we'll do it again as we head through Tuesday evening and night, with those low clouds coming in for Wednesday before giving way to plenty of sun for the majority of the day on Wednesday. Then it's rinse and repeat for every day like that over the next week. 77 is where we end up here tonight with those increasing low clouds, middle and upper 70s across the majority of the area. A little breezy in the first part of the evening, and then the wind settles down somewhat overnight. We'll end up here at 95 tomorrow afternoon, with those morning clouds giving way to afternoon sun. Most areas will be in the mid-90s, but with that humidity still in place, it's still going to feel like the low triple digits here each and every afternoon. Here's how we get there from the upper 70s to the mid-90s. Pretty close to normal, though, for this time of year, so nothing unusual about 95 here in late June. We're going to start climbing a little higher above normal as we head through the week, 94 being normal, heading for 98 here Sunday and Monday. There is a little bit of humidity relief coming, though, Notice right now we're near oppressive. Somewhat drier air mixes down to the surface as we head into Wednesday afternoon. So it's not going to feel as humid then. And then we see less relief toward the end of the week and into the weekend. Still an improvement over where we are now. But Wednesday, that drier air coming down from higher up in the atmosphere may provide a little bit of a relief for you. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. Middle to upper 90s every day. Morning clouds on most days and 70s at night.